If you're creating great content with ChatGPT, but your email list isn't growing, you're leaving money on the table. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your content that you already have, like a blog post, a checklist, or even an Instagram caption, and turn it into a lead magnet that actually builds your email list, all while ChatGPT is doing the heavy lifting. I've seen this strategy work for service providers, local businesses, and other organizations. Once they stopped letting their best content go to waste and started turning it into valuable downloads, their email list finally started growing with the right people. And I want that for you as well. Here's the thing. Your email list is one of your most valuable marketing tools. I cannot stress this enough. Social media is great, but guess what? You don't own it. Your list, now that's yours. But people don't just give their email address anymore. You've got to offer something worth trading it for. That's where lead magnets come in. Now, we're going to start with step one. You want to start with your high value content. Don't reinvent the wheel. Go back to one of your best performing blog posts or videos. If it solves a problem or teaches something, it's a great candidate for a lead magnet. Still need content? Watch or listen to how to generate content ideas for any industry using ChatGPT that I just recently recorded. Now, moving on to step two, decide what format works best. ChatGPT can help you decide what your content should become. Let's go over it. You can ask it, based on this blog post, what's the best format for a lead magnet? Is it a checklist, guide, PDF, or a template? Here's an example. If your blog is 5 ways to prep your home for spring, then your lead magnet could be the ultimate spring prep checklist. It's that simple. Now let's move on to step 3. Turn it into a downloadable with ChatGPT. Here's where it gets fun. You can use this prompt. Turn this blog post into a downloadable checklist with a catchy title, bullet point tips, and a short intro. You could also ask for a quick blurb to promote it on social media, a description for your opt-in form, a thank you message once they download. This saves hours of time, and there's other opportunities that's available. Okay, step 4, add a simple call to action to your existing content. Here's the deal. You don't have to have a fancy funnel. Just go back to your blog or video and say, want the downloadable version of this? Grab my free guide here. ChatGPT can even help you write the call to action as well. You could use this prompt. Write a short CTA inviting people to download a free checklist based on this content. Now, step 5, promote it like a pro. This part matters a lot. Don't just make a lead magnet. You want to share it. So guess what? You can ask ChatGPT. Write 3 Instagram captions promoting this free download. Another prompt. Write a short LinkedIn post inviting people to grab this freebie. Here's another one. Write a short email promoting this lead magnet to my list. Boom. Done. You're now list building on autopilot. Phew. Here's the strategy in a nutshell. Start with valuable content. Turn it into a downloadable using ChatGPT's help. Make sure to add simple calls to action. And then promote it everywhere. You don't want to just create it and then not share it. Just like that, you've got a lead magnet that grows your email list potentially while you sleep. Now, don't forget, this only works well if ChatGPT understands your business and your brand voice. If you haven't already, grab my free Pre-Baking the Oven worksheet. It will help you train ChatGPT to create spot-on content that works for your business. You're already creating great content. Now, let's make it work harder. Start growing your list, building trust, and getting more results with content you already have. Now, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with someone else that you think could use these tips. Remember, your next subscriber could come from a blog post you already wrote. Don't let that opportunity go to waste. Until next time, keep streamlining and working on your business.